Hello everybody, welcome to another video here. We're gonna see if we can get on some fish. The bite has been pretty good lately here. A lot of local Facebook groups have been posting some good catches, so here we are. Hopefully we get into something. Starting, there's a lot of people passing by right now out here. Oh yeah, that's something on there right there. Is it recording?
You said it's but you're not gonna like how it looks too.
What?
Chingo de mosquitos right there. Go.
Oh yeah, that's a flatty. Oh, it's a little one. Oh, another one.
Oh, you.
Gosh. That's one. That's one. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh!
I left?
I lost it. That was back to back, bro. That's nice. Let's fix the bait on this one.
I'm gonna start the video.
Hey guys, so we managed one. Alright guys, so we got about a little 6-pounder here. Good to go. Nice and muddy. Cool little guy. About maybe 6-7 pounds. So as soon as this one was landed, my other rod took off. So I don't know, could be a lucky hour, but let's go ahead and release this guy.
Are you for real? Hold on, fool. Hold on.
You recording?
There you guys recording. Catch and release. Fuck, fool.
What?
Me traigo una mosca.
Come on, bro. Take off. Pulling him by the whiskers.
Giving him that love.
There he goes. There he goes. No, you don't want to leave?
He loves you, fool.
There he is.
No?
Not yet. There he goes.
You got it, bro. You got it, buddy.
There he goes. Off he goes. Off he goes. Yep.
What?
Hey, shout out to Ben real quick. He's the one that went out, caught all the bait. Well, everybody, that's going to be it for the video. Managed only one. We did have a second one on. But like I said, I got too excited and I didn't set the hook properly. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.